is a closer look at this multifunctional weight bench. I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about this and also demonstrating some of the common exercises that you can do with this machine. So just a heads up, it does take about 30 minutes. It took me about 30 minutes to go through and assemble it based on how it came in the packaging. So it's not bad. It comes with really good, easy instructions to go through and do that. But the first thing that you have here is you can see you can go through and adjust this right here. So this can go up and down depending on how tall you are. I am 6 foot for reference, and so I have on the highest setting, but this can go up and down depending on how tall you are basically. Down here you can see you can go through and adjust these legs. So all you need to do is pull out that pin, and you can see you can move this up or down. There's 4 different settings here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4 that you can go through and do it. I personally like it right there, so that's where I have it. As you see, it's very easy to just put that pin back in there to adjust it. I really like how there's these little things for your feet, so how this works, and I'll give you a closer demonstration as well. As you see, when you're doing the abs, this fits really nice on your feet, nice and flat there. Another thing to be aware of is that you can adjust this down here as well. You see there's 3 different settings for the actual bench. All you need to do is lift this up, and then you can make the bench go down on a gradual decline or even all the way down like that, depending on which workouts you are doing. Another thing that I really like is that I can put weights down here to save a little bit of space. These are 25, so there's 50 pounds on here, and it's holding it really well. And here are some of the common exercises that you can use with this thing. For reference, I'm 6 foot and 180 pounds. This thing can hold up to, it claims 660 pounds. I believe it. It seems very stable, really nice quality here. So one of the most common is the back extension, where you have this here. Thighs are up this way, and then you're just going up and down. I also do sit-ups on this thing. Because I'm a little bit taller, my head does hang off here a little bit, but it doesn't affect the workout at all. And if you wanted to go through and do decline sit-ups, you could also go through and lower this, of course. You can do bicep curls, or you could also do bench press as well. So those are just a few of the common exercises that I like to do on this thing. As you see, really good material here, really high quality. Definitely would recommend it if you're looking for a nice bench to work out with.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for your support.